Hi, I'm Blair from Creations in Colour Painting. We're just on a house in Benowa doing an exterior. So far the prep has included sort of a good pressure clean, which washed quite a bit of dirt off the place. It hasn't had any work done for probably 20 odd years. Then I've gone round and virtually filled every gap in the eave to the wall. You can see the white lines right through the top where every gap has been filled with a flexible filler. We've then gone through, we've removed all the rusty vents. Okay, the original eave vents had totally rusted out, so I've removed all them. I've had to back it up with a bit of timber, so I've got something to screw with. And then I'm going to replace them after, obviously, this is painted white. They'll match in really nicely and give it a bit more life for years to come. The render had quite a few holes in it from where things were removed, and a few bits are cracked out. You can see in this corner there's quite a bit cracked out there that I've gone through and re-rendered. But that gets left a few days and then touched up with a green render sealer and then overcoated in the finished paint. There's an old steel structure here which was part of the old garage, which unfortunately can't be removed. It was quite rusty. So I've ground all the rust off and put a 2-pack filler, a 2-pack paint I should say, over that, which is to hold the rust at bay. And then that'll be overcoated in the colour of the house once we start painting the outside. That's about it. The fascia has been done the same colour as the gutter. I've gone around and filled all that, and we've gapped in behind that as well. Alright, the fascia is going to be painted the same colour as the gutter. This is the style most people use these days, where they bring the gutter or the fascia colour down to this bottom edge and try and finish it along here. You can see how the line really ever is too straight. I really like to actually bring that colour right around into this corner, and we get a nice neat finish right into that corner, which is where colours should always finish on an internal corner, not an external corner. It makes the job look so much more neater in my opinion, and we'll show you a bit of that when it's finished. And then masked all around the windows and gap filled to them just to make a nice straight line with no gap to the actual window frame.